What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Hip Hop Police by Chamillionaire. Okay, let's start. Alright, ready? So this one is old school, we use old school music also. Okay? The beat are very moving. It's like dun, 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 dun. And move a little bit inside. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna need to move, jump to your right. It goes like this. 1, hit on 2, go to 3 and 4, and 5, 6, and kick, set, bend, then lean back on 8. Okay? So when you do like this, set, you look like this. Okay? Let's try again. So 5, 6, 7, and jump. 1, 2. By the way, when you jump like this, 1, your hips go out. 2, up on 3 and 4, close on end. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next, to the front, step your left. 1 and 2. Do you see my right there? Go 1 and 2, side 3, 4. This one, kick to the side. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay? Hope my timing is correct. Be okay. One more time. From here, 6, 7, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, kick front, 5, 6, and sorry, close first set, 10 and 8. Yes, that's the right step. So from here, drop it first, 7, 10. Let's combine first and second 8. Okay, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Front 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick now side. 6 and 7, 8. Good job. Next, we're gonna go hook, tap. Like what do you call this? Like jumping rope, but you're not actually jumping. 7 and 1 and 2, including your shoulder. 1, 2. This one you're gonna drop it. Circle 3, 4. One more time. 6, 7, 7, 8, and side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Overhead on 5. Left to the back. 6. Stretch 7, bend, and 8. One more time from here. And front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, next. So this one you need to focus. So from here you're gonna kick. So start with your right. So from your 7, 8, and kick. 1, 2. Down on 3 and 4. Close on 5. Lift your right on 6. Down on 7, bend 8. Got it? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, we'll start from the beginning. Here we go. Ready? From the top, jump to the side. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, side, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, up, ha, 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 5, 6, hitting 10. Good job. All right, everybody. Next, So after this one, you're gonna do like this, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go deep left. 1, 2, go back. 3 and a 4 to the side. 5 and 6. Go and 7. Push. 8. Okay. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Deep. 1, 2. Back. 3, 4. Side. 5 and a 6. 7, push. Okay, 7, push. Then you're gonna go bounce, walk, cross again. Just cross like this without the bounce, like that. But the first one we do this, right? Tap, tap, tap. I know. From here, this is quick. But this one is gonna walk, a walk, a walk, a walk. But your bounce is from like that. So your back is going up. It's not going down. Okay, then more on not your knee. Remember, not your knee. It's going like 7, 8, and ha, 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 ha. So like the head is a little bit bouncing up. So the count is your head. When you count your head, when you count 1, your head is going up. It's not going down. It's the same method, but the counts are different. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is not 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember that. So it goes like push 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 3 and 4. Copy? 3 and 4. Just simply push front 5 and. So simple one. Step 5 and 6 and. Copy? Then shoulder 7, 8. So it's dirty, your shoulder, you need to clean it. So it goes like 7, 7, push, 8, bounce, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 7. Okay? Good job. Let's try again from here. So 6, 7, dip, 1, 2, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, push. Okay? 7, push, and boom, 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 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, 7, 8. Good job. Alright guys, next, last 2, it's basically 1, 8, and 4 counts. Okay, so from here, you're gonna go down, have 1 and up on 2 to the side, 3 and 4. So when you do it, quick. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Side 5 up 6. Copy. Go 7, 8. So this is chest 8. One more time. 6, 7, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. 6, chest, 8. So this one is knee, cha, flex up, boom, boom, cha, cha. Okay? This one you're gonna point, boom, boom. Yes, let's try again from here. 6, 7, 7, 8, down, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, just 5, 6, 7, 8. So flex, flex, point, point. Okay? For the last time, you're gonna 1, 2, 7, and 1, 2. Copy, then change on 3, leave on 4. 3 and 4, move back and boom. Then ta-ra-ra. Finish, but we're gonna do boom and then this is just extra. And there you go. Good job. So we go again from here. So 7 and down, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, lift on 4, add lift, and 7, go, open, bounce, 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 everything, and we're done! Very good! Alright, that's 8-8 old school choreography. Now we do it from the beginning, super slow, okay? Here we go. No mistake, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right. Slowly getting faster. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, ad lib, 7, to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just this one is like extra. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my video. Bye bye.